Previously on the SB series.
Hey girl, Ma, what's up? I got some tea. What? Yeah.
I finally got it to work. We're going to LA today. This is a cute angle. Going to LA today. That's it. It's really sunny, so I'm gonna put some sunscreen. Okay. Whoa. Okay, let's go inside.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been
Shut up! Really?
Fair's at 1:38. Oh my god! Parking Fairy really loved us today.
on the same page tonight. Can we stay?
Vlogging in public is scary.
Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language.
We got coffee. Now we're getting bagels.
Is your love and affection? Won't you give some of it?
Alicia Marie, where are you?
The Alex camp. Really boring. It's so bright. Okay. What? Oh, is that a butterfly? Or do you want like? Oh, it might be a moth. Oh no, it's a butterfly. No, come back. No, I'm okay.
Alicia Marie, where are you?
I'm so sorry.
Cannot drink tonight.
I need somebody as always.
Yeah, that girl, she's from Disney Channel. I recognize her. We're an hour into LA, and we saw Janessa from The Regrets ordering a bagel, and then the girl at Alfred's, I think was on Disney Channel. I think she's like a recurring character on like Fortnite or something. But I recognize her. Alyssafoutsbusiness.
Oh my god.
Shut up.
Maybe this is heaven, maybe that's just you. I don't trust my judgment, cause I'm just 22. My mind is running.
I really like this suit.
Feel the same.
We did some damage.
You feel the
All day.
Do you feel that I can't make my mind up? I don't know what to do. I'm trying to be honest. Point of view.
Tell me when it's up. Stop.
Alex, you do me a
Okay.
favor?
Yeah.
Will you lift the white ones for me so I can put this one under? Thank you.
Just tall friend things. Aw. Back in the land of people shorter than me.
I'm gonna be a team.
Jesus. Look at this.
I also want the NCTV mode one. Excuse me.
She's at the library right now. Library mode for K-pop music star.
One thing she doesn't pick up.
Of course. Try to get everything, you know. The hats are cute. Gotta get black tape.
우회전 taking right to 전화기 눈치 보면서 들어가는 때 찾아 나머진 거 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑
I'm vlogging on my phone because
Look how fast it is.
is it time lapse? No, it's not.
Alyssa, look. It's don't have this.
Yes, they do.
How does it
I told you it wasn't on time lapse. It's not on time lapse. I hate
Which
you.
one do you have?
I don't know. It's the regular.
You're definitely tipsy.
I'm a little tipsy.
The green light.
I got it.
Wait, see, like the blonde one?
The white blonde, the
white
second from the
blonde one.
left.
So baby
What do you think?
동선을 타고 난 날아
Why you always in the
동선을 타고 난 날아
Is this where we kiss?
동선을 타고 난 날아올라 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 하고 싶었던 춤이 다 골라 어디든 갈 거야
my oatmeal?
That's the tripod. Just kidding. I didn't ask.
Oatmeal. Wait, after the unboxing, I'm still down to watch Twilight.
Well, we'll see. Wait.
Yeah, wait, I'm not paying attention.
No, I sent something in the unholy place. I was trying to use it. Is that what I'm talking about? Is that my Instagram? Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Oh, you opened me. Yes. She's got this wall. The lighting's so bad. they asked me because they ran out of the menu mangoes and they were like, any other member? I was like, oh, you're making me decide again. It made me anxious.
It was so on the spot. I was like,
please take me to them. Says a member from a different group. I tell them both. Okay. You get the point. Which one do I open? I'll open your choice. Because it's an ode.
That was not intentional, I swear to God.
Ooh.
oh, there's like a bunch.
I like this concept. Me too. It's both of our faves. You like on it? Oh, Chloe would kill you.
Yeah,
Cover Alyssa's face. Anyways, suck. Chloe, look. Chloe, wait, what? Is it dark? Chloe.
What?
Chloe, look. Don't cry. Are you ready?
You know what vibe I'm feeling?
What?
Young J.
Young J? I think, I don't want to jinx it, but it's not like I can jinx it because it's in my hand. But like, I really want Young J and Mark again. It's so cute! It's fine.
No, I'm not gonna collage this part.
The vlog got that.
It's $8 to
Jenning's my mom's favorite. She goes, oh my god, how does he look like that? I got him. Mark. Okay, wait, I want to look.
shoot.
Show me.
I was almost right.
Okay, wait. Ooh!
We're on like a...
That's okay, we're at this.
Say hi, Lane. They both just wave.
Which album did Teresa get? I have that
Yeah.
one, but
Chloe, you're gonna freak out. Look at this picture of you
I
guys.
already opened this one.
I have that photo saved on my phone.
Oh my god, they're in the same position when we look at each other.
We had Korean barbecue. Okay, and the other one?
What did you get?
That was
They
good.
did pre-debut photos.
Joshua, Hoshi.
Hi friends, I realized I didn't vlog what I got really. It was just more of the unboxing portion. For the 17 album, there were no specific photo cards, so I'm not gonna show that. But here are the other 5 that I got. I'll try to make this short. I'll try to make this like boom, 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 boom. But I got the NCT Dream Hot Sauce album, and I'll show you the photo cards I got. When I got this album, I was legit like telling Elaine, Teresa, Alex, and Chloe to manifest. I was like, I really wanted a Jeno photo card, dude. I really did, and it happened. So I got Mark, I got Jeno. It's a very happy camper, bro. I got a Chunla Fuste, and then I got the Reload album. I got Chunla, and I got Hichan, and then I got the GOT7 Die album. So I got Yugyeom, Mark, JB, and Bam Bam. In the 7 for 7 album, Mark and Jay and Bam Bam. And then in the verse number 2 album, I got a Jinyoung little like postcard. I also got a Jinyoung poster. I got this JB transparent photo card, which is really, really cool. Another JB photo card. And then a Jinyoung pre-debut photo card. I know pre-debut is always supposed to be like really, really funny and like cringy, but if I had a pre-debut photo card, it would look like this. Life is rough. Anyway, okay, that was it. Kisses. Because he's the last 96 one here. And then it starts with 97, because that's 4.
I like the monochromatic. So like,
Doesn't this look like something you did for your boyfriend that I've made at Walgreens?
I think this maybe it's like it doesn't exist.
I like it. Aren't they cute? Wait, why does this one fits better?
What am I doing? But I feel like the colors.
she's
I have to ask Alyssa. I'm like, I like the color but more than she does. Doesn't match.
Sometimes.
Your vision. I can't look at it because that's not my skin.
Do you still wake to sunsets? Eat home alone, watching the moon rise, asking on and on. What's going on?
Next on the SB series. We had a very late trip. There's one right down here. We're dropping Alex off at the airport. It's hotter here than in Santa Barbara. Hi. I got a new desktop, so I can use the photo booth feature again, which I haven't been able to use in a while because my laptop's very wonky. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun, and I don't know, being with my friends is always fun. I love you guys so much. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. All my social media links will be in the description box below. I'm sending my love, and please stay happy and healthy and safe. I'll see you next time. Bye.